大家好. Papa, papa. Good evening. How are you, everybody? Okay. Well, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Dr. David Kim. I'm an Oriental medical doctor. As you know, the traditional medicine, so especially for it was 100 years before the doctors take care whole body. But later on, so many classifications divided our body. Someone who take care only eye, someone who take care only the mouth, someone who take care all the liver and heart. Nowadays like that, right? So if you go to want to check up your body to go to the hospital, you have to go very specialist. But you have something problem, but they didn't found out because they going to take the blood test or the urine test, take X-ray. If they didn't found any virus or diagnosis, they cannot tell you have problems. But you have something problem. That's why you come to the hospital. So something like that. But the Oriental medicine is not like that. We are take care of the whole body as same like a universe. If you look the universe, it's not exactly straight 90 degree. It's 23.5 degree on the left side. Am I right? Yeah. Your heart not exactly in the center. Exactly 23.5 degree on the left side. If you look at your body, 365 pieces of bone, like 365 days in a year. And five continental and 6 ocean, right? We have also exactly in our body like that. What is the continental? Lungs, liver, kidney, stomach is like a continental. Look the universe, 25% is continental, 75% is water. Our body is like 75% is water and 25% is bone. Anyhow, so I work in Saudi Arabia 20 years. I can speak Arabic. Salam alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. If there is any Muslim here, they will understand. Anyway, I was the private doctor for the king and the Muslim leader. So as you know, the Muslim leader, 1.7 Muslim, they are prayed to the Mecca. If you go to the Mecca, they call it the Holy Kaaba, can enter only one person from the 1.7 billions of Muslims. Only one person can enter there. He called it the governor of Mecca. He was a king brother. Also, I take care of him 16 years as a private doctor and 2 of king from Saudi Arabia. Anyway, so today, let me show the seminar here. It's not, yeah. You know what is this? Yeah, always when I start the seminar, I bring the special flower. I will show you what kind of flower you don't know maybe. So let's go to, again, one more here. So, also this flower, when I show to the Korean, nobody knows. It's very strange, the flower. And then if you see the next one, you will know. Ha ha. Yes, this is pineapple flower. You didn't know that before, right? Yes. Actually, the pineapple in Korea, we couldn't find out. So we'll show you one more flower here. Very, very strange. This is pineapple flower. So you are eat every day pineapple, but you don't know what is ingredient inside. Today I will tell you. Last visit I brought the banana, right? Yes, this time I will show you what is the banana benefit to our body. Okay, so first one is helps improve oral and eye health. If you have any mucous infection in your oral cavity, you take the banana. There is some special enzyme can cure the mucus and the oral cavity. And also boost immunity and improve blood circulation. If you take the banana, it's good for the blood circulation. Who has hands is very cold or the pit is very cold, if you take the banana, you will have the good blood circulation to you. Helps prevent arthritis, cancer, and heart disease also good. You know arthritis, and any joint problems, or if there is any inflammation, if you take the banana, will going to help to you. And also cancer. Oh, sorry, pineapple. And also reduce inflammation of joint and muscles. So as I told you, helps heal wound and protect against infection. So it means that this pineapple will going to increasing your body immunity, also protection kinds of the bacteria infection to your body. Even you have any inflammation in the body, if you take the pineapple, also possible to protect. And reduce risk the dementia and the Alzheimer disease also. You know Alzheimer? So when we become a lot of people, they are going to damage the brain cell. But if you take the banana, we're going to help. Oh, sorry, the pineapple. Okay, I'm going to Papa now. No more Oppa. Okay, now I will show you a very beautiful lady. You know who is she? She is Mrs. Singapore. You don't know, I know very well, but she doesn't know me. You see here, very beautiful, right? Yes. But I will show you one more lady here. According to Reuters media, oldest lady in France, her name is Jenny Calment. She is still alive, 122 years old. She was also something like this time, right? Yes, of course. But when she become old, when she become 90 years old, she doesn't have family, only she has one apartment. And then she called to the lawyer, I'm going to old now, I don't have enough money, nobody can help me. So if you don't mind, let's make contract between you and me. I will give you my house now to you, but when I'm going to die, you can take my house. But every month you support me my life. And then the lawyer, he was thinking, oh, she's already 90 years old. She's working is very difficult now. So we don't know, maybe she will die next month or after 1 year. And definitely they make the contract, right? And she's still alive, 122 years old. And then lawyer still supporting her life. Anyway, before when we say the 90 years old is already old, but nowadays a lot of people will going to reach more than 100 years old because our life cycle is big change and a lot of technology also getting much better than before, and so many food supplement also we are still the discover on the moment. So why I am telling you, even you live 100 years old, you should be healthy, right? So let's go here. Another talent in Singapore, right? He's very handsome. You know all of them? Yes, I know also all of them, but they don't know me. This is a big problem. So whatever, everybody going to old. Everybody going to. So that's why, let me show you. When you become old, first month, your child will take care of you. But second month also will take care of you. But when you go to 1 year, second year, even your child, not easy to take care of you. Am I right? So, why I want to tell you now, your health have to take care of yourself. So that's why always I am saying, listen to yourself. You go to doctor, of course, he can advise to you, but you know yourself. Sometimes when you're thirsty, you should be drink water. Sometimes you feel wanted to eat some sweet food. It means body wanted to eat some sweet. So you have to eat sweet, but not too much. Sometimes you feel eat some meat, right? That time you have to eat meat. Why? Your body wants the meat. So our life cycle is like this. Everybody very well known, the baby born, like infant times. And then we are going to old. When you become old, everybody going to sick. Yes? After sick, you have to die. After die, you have another word. Today, I will tell you our body immunity. At least you have to know our body immunity. So we have head here around between some depends of the person is different, but you know how many kilogram our head? Between 5 to 7 kilograms. But inside the brain is only 1.2 kilograms. Yeah. And then it's 5 to 7 kilograms, it means very heavy, right? But our neck is very thin. How many cervical bone here? Only 7 bone. Very, very thin. So whole days, 7 kilogram you have to put on the neck. So that's why we call it this bone, cervical bone, because it looks like a C. Okay? But nowadays, a lot of people, they put the mobile and game always like this, sitting on the table, right? This C become straight. So they have a lot of problem in the neck. So we have cervical bone is 7. Like 1 week, how many days? 7 days. You see, God, how he created it. And then after that, we call it spinal bone. It looks like S. And then this one, 12 spinal bone. And then after spinal bone, we call it lumbago. It's also another 5 bone there. After that, coracox we have here. So, you know who is this lady? Yeah, Cleopatra. So beautiful lady, right? We say the western side of beauteous lady is the Cleopatra. So after the Emperor Alexander, he passed away, they call it the Ptolemaios. She was Ptolemaios' 7th. And she become king. But the ancient time, Egyptian, the rule, they can marry brother and sister. Yeah, it was like that. So she married her brother, Ptolemaios 13, they married. But with 13 and Cleopatra, between of them, it was not always happy. They fight each other. And that times, Cleopatra, she cannot ruling in the Egypt because her brother was took over the kings. And then that times, in Roman, the council of militaries, and call it Caesar. You heard Caesar? Caesar, his fight with the Pompeius. Pompeius run away to Alexandria. And that times, her brother, Cleopatra brother, is very complicated. Ptolemaios 13, he was killed to the Pompeius. Caesar was very angry to come to Egypt. And that time, Cleopatra met the Rome leader. She married. And then after that, this Caesar, he died with Antonius. After that, they have so many changed the partner. Anyway, she was very beautiful, but she can speak 6 languages. So she was very clever, but anyhow, she can live until 39 years old. But she was very beautiful, okay? But you know, she liked best food was pomegranate. She take care of her skin. She eat always pomegranate. We have one more lady here. You know Yang Kui Ping? Yang Kui Pei? Sorry, Yang Kui Pei, yes. Yang Kui Pei also, she was the beautiful in Asian part, like Cleopatra. Cleopatra, she lived until 37 years old. But Cleopatra, she lived 37. I don't know why. It's beauty lady, they have a short life. And at that time, she was only 155 centimeter high. You know, weight how many kilogram? 68 kilograms. Short and fat. Anyway, her skin was very beautiful. And she liked also pomegranate. Oh, anyway, the Tang dynasty, the King Hyunjong, actually she married with King Hyunjong's son. She was become a daughter-in-law. And then King Hyunjong, his wife is dead, and he take his daughter-in-law, he married. It's ancient time, is very complicated. Anyway, the beauteous lady, they like pomegranate. So today, let me tell you what is the pomegranate. Okay? So here, in the pomegranate, there is so many minerals there. You know, the herbal medicine, if you look at the herbal medicine, always you know the cone, in the top of the cone there is, looks like a hair is there, right? I don't know what you call it, this one. This one is good for the hair, okay? And the herbs, also something like ginseng is root, is good for the man also. So always it's matching. Anyway, the pomegranate is color is red, right? So this one is good for the blood circulations. Looks like blood. So let's go to there is especially the organic acid. It's very good for woman. And here, generates skin cell, okay? And protect the collagen guard against the UV ray. And prevents sun damage and protect against the skin cancer. So if you eat too much, there is the organic acid absorbed to the body, the skin cancer, and also they are producing the collagen for especially the women, okay? And also antioxidant here, protect the cell from oxidative and environmental stress and damage, protect DNA, and boost to the body's production of built-in antioxidant. So you know how good this one, huh? So let's go to here. Actually, in Korean Atomy company, we have special new production here. I don't know here, there somewhere. It's not arrived yet. Already we started saying in Korea, call it the Atomy Pomegranate Beauty. So today, let me introduce of these productions, okay? So actually there is in the pack, okay? And as I told you, the pomegranate, there is so many different kinds of the mineral there, also special the organic acid there. So here, so the 30 gram and 30 pack in the one box. So it's easy to chewing and easy to carry. You can put in the pocket, whatever you go, you can use this one. Huh? So we will see here. So already we talk about. Actually, this pomegranate, 100% we are importing from the Mediterranean Sea. It's Turkey. We call it Antalya or somewhere. And then that place is the very strong sunshine, and also this wind come from the Mediterranean Sea to the Turkey area, and very clean area. Also, we import from there. So we will see the one video clip, and then we go to again.
Knew it was you before we started. I could feel it in your eyes. Something was there beneath the surface. You don't have to ask me twice.
güzellik ve cilt üzerindeki etkisi de kanıtlanmış ve burada çok yetişiyor.
Sometimes it feels like I'm
Zaten nar ülkemizde çok kolayca bulunabilen bir meyve ve narın etkisi de kanıtlanmış bir meyve. O yüzden nar suyu tüketmeye özen gösteriyoruz.
I was living with my eyes closed. I didn't know until I met you that I was living with my eyes closed until you woke me up. Oh, until you woke me up. Woke me
미인이 되고 싶은 누구나 날마다 촉촉하게, 날마다 건강하게. 애터미 석류 미인.
Okay, so did you see the how is beautiful area we bring from Turkey, and here, so when we import the pomegranate from Turkey to Korea, we produce 30 steps, because a lot of people they are confusing the probiotics with enzyme, okay, but totally different. Probiotics is kinds of the good bacteria. Enzyme is different, okay? So this one, the pomegranate also producing time, enzyme will be more activity to here. We'll see here 30 steps. Low ingredient made through the 30-step patent method. Increased volume by enzyme processing method also we use here. The increasing the content of organic acid, each gram 2.4 milligram of the organic acid there. So not more than 3 grams. If you have the more than 3 grams, will be not good to your body. So that's why we reduced to only 2.4. And then you can see here the first we clean and then take off the skin. After that, we make enzyme too until it's easy to eating. Organic acid, what is the organic acid here? So composed of 4 the polyphenol rings is chemical design you can see here, can be found in the grapes and strawberry and pomegranate. Most of the polyphenol is kinds of the fruit, you see, but especially here the pomegranate have more the polyphenol we have. Polyphenol is to our body is the antioxidant and the protection the many kinds of different viruses. And also most important main substance that improve the menopause and moisture skin. So when we become the lady 40 years old is starting the menopause, right? And daytime also good helping, especially the moisturizing skin. So when you have put some cream or something after wash, if you put the cream, it's easy absorb the skin. But after wash, you do something later when it become dry, you put the cream is different, right? So it's important to your skin, the moisture. We'll have another, the Sofrakin time we'll talk more. So this is most important here. 1 envelope of the Atomy, the pomegranate beauty is the 26 cups of the pomegranate juice. You understand? 26 cups of organic acid is put in the 1 envelope. It means you take the 1 envelope, it means 26 cups of the pomegranate juice you drink. You see? Very concentrated here. So, the lady, when you start the menstruation times, I mean after childhood, even small things, they are very happy, right? It's even, Small things, they are laughing and laughing like that. When we going to stop the menstruation times, even small things, they are going to angry. Am I right? My wife like that. So what is the menopause? Especially the man, you have to understand. Otherwise, not easy to understand your wife. Okay, men, you need also palmetto, but woman need sofrakin. So you have to understand both sides. Let's go to, especially the women, when it's come to the menopause times, they have a headache. You don't know why. They feel headache. And then sometimes weight gaining and the heavy night sweat, you know. Sometimes suddenly between the two breasts is sweating and beating, and the face become hot, and there is many things is coming. And also the breast also become enlargement and pain, and a lot of the things is sometimes the skin itching also, and thinning, and joint problem, and back pain, urinary problem, and many things. And also the physiologically, the dizziness, sometimes feel dizzy, and then also the anxiety, cannot be sleep, you know, nighttime, suddenly was in the bed and suddenly she wake up, you know, go outside and come in like this. And also poor memory is getting loose, and so many other things is here. So you have to understand, huh? So, okay. So the product information of result here, pomegranate, the concentrated, we will see here. We feeding them to the lady. Actually, we have we call it the Cooperman index. One of the medical doctors, especially who has menopause times, so many body reactions. He put the whole the things, put the numbers. And then, of course, also menopause index. Also not too much different with the Cooperman index and menopause index. And for the menopause ladies, we're giving them the pomegranate, okay? After 8 weeks, they are going to very big change. And here also, you can see here between the Cooperman index and the menopause index. Okay, so if you open here the items, cut it off the tube, it looks like a jelly. So you just push and you can chewing, very easy to eat, okay? And then it's a little bit sweet and sour, like a jelly. Anytime, anywhere you can take to put in the handbag, you can move. So here, the one lady, all the family is very happy, but only one lady is not happy, because when they come to the menopause times, it's always they are not happy anyway, because here, middle-aged women are at higher risk of developing social anxiety when estrogen level sharply decline, because estrogen level is going to down, they have many things problems. So your husband have to understand to your wife, okay? So they can have to happy with our Atomy pomegranate beauty. So we have here also, we call it the Sopra Queen. It will be coming already here or not yet? Not yet? It's coming soon, yes. Okay, so I want to introduce the Sofrakin, especially for the women. Even though who is not in the time of the menopause time, it's better to take starting this one for protection, okay? So here, as I told, the Cooperman index, let's see sometimes the upper body is become suddenly hot. You can put the mark, the condition, and then also cannot be asleep, and sometimes angry, and depression, dizziness, and fatigue, and so many muscle or the joint problem, and headache, and these things. You can put the number, and then after that, your number is between 15 to 20, it means mild, no problem, it's okay, okay? But more than 25 to 35 is can say moderate. It's more than 35, it is called the severe case. You know, sometimes really they are very, very difficult to, you know, have this life. Someone who killed herself, really, they are jump out. Or the many cases like that. So the men, we cannot understand. But sometimes my wife said, I told you, when you push toothpaste, always you put in the middle. Why you didn't start from the bottom? It's very simple, right? But she started like that. Sometimes when you move the socks, you know, why you put here and there? Why you don't put in the basket? But small things, but they are going to angry. So husband have to understand. If they say like this, okay, okay, just okay, okay. Do not tell them, okay. So here, look, in the even the sleeping bed, the husband, the wife is different situations. You know what I mean? Yes. Okay. Atomy Sopra Queen and special design for the permanent, before the menopause and during the menopause time, you can use this one. Special the bone health and blood cholesterol improvement, improve blood circulation, reduce risk of the osteoporosis. And if we mix it here also Sophora japonica extract. In the hemoim also we have the japonica extract. Also we mix it here. And another one, Angelica gigas extract and ginkgo, especially ginkgo for the poor memory and who has not enough the oxygen supply to the brain, also very good for the ginkgo. You know, we mix it here. And the safflower seed oil and pomegranate extract and turmeric extract is turmeric like the actual the weed root. Weed root is good for the woman. We mix it all, make the formula here. Let's see one by one here. Angelica root extract in the hemoim also we mix it. Already I told you. And especially here the locust tree fruit extract. This is really good for the woman and may improve health of woman during the menopause. Anyway, our company is not medicine. You have to know. A lot of people, they ask me about the physical condition, but food supplement can help these things, not for the treatment, okay? So here also, the isoflavone is the kinds of the bean, that may be also good for the bone. And we have the gamma-linolenic acid, it's dandelion flower, especially in England, they use a lot of this, the flower to the treatment. May improve blood cholesterol and circulation with the gamma-linolenic acid. And vitamin D is very important for the menopause time. You have a very strong sunlight here, so at least 10 to 15 minutes if you show your body to sun, it's enough the vitamin D. But in Korea now, big problem that we have a lot of pollution, not easy to find out sunlight. And then vitamin E, there is a lot of too much the tocopherol. It's a kind of the seed. You have to eat the vitamin E and vitamin K also. This vitamin K necessary for normal blood coagulation also to helping your bodies. Okay, so when you become menopause times, you should be check yourself, okay? Because our breast has until the nipples, from we call it the axillary, the sweat glands. On the armpit, there is a sweat glands. With sweat, under the sweat glands, there is the lymph node. This lymph node with the sweat glands connecting, call it the apocrine glands, connect with the milk line. Each one has the 12 milk line here. So left side and right side. So time to time, you have to check yourself, or otherwise have to go to the hospital every 6 months. You must check it up, because when menopause time, if you stop the menstruations, there is a lot of the breast cancer. So if you found out the breast cancer already too late, so before you go to the hospital, you check time to time, you check yourself. How to do check? First of all, as you can see here, by finger pressed around your breast. And then if you found something inside, press more. When you feel pain, you have to check it up, okay? And left and right, also the another side also press by your hands. And then if you found something, it's better to go to the hospital. The cancer cell, until grow 1 centimeter, we cannot find out. But when it's become 1 centimeter cancer, already late. Understand? So that's why best way, you check yourself. So this one, we call it the Sophra Queen. Okay, so today I mentioned about the 2 items from Atomy. Here, one lady, she's 17 years old. What she's doing, she collecting garbage here and there. Okay, her name is called the Mint Kanita. She's from Thailand. Okay, and then how she did it. She don't have enough money. Her mother also collecting the garbage. Okay, and then she stopped the school. She helping her mother. This month in Korea we call it the Family Month, because 5th of May is Children's Day, 8th of May Parents' Day, and 15th of May Teachers' Day. So we call it this month, call it Family Month. I don't know your Parents' Day, also it will be coming very soon, what I know. Though in Korea before, we don't have Father's Day, only Mother's Day. All the father complain to the government. Also, then now we call it Parents' Day. Anyway, she doesn't have enough money. She helped her mother. She stopped her school. And then she was go to the beauty contest, she become win. After she received crown, what she did, definitely she go to her mother and kneel to the mother. Can you do it? When she become the beauty contest win, they're going to hide herself. But she go with the crown, directly to go to the mother. And then the newspaper reporter asked to her. What she said, let's read all together. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Okay, read together. Okay, I didn't believe that I will win. It's like a dream. Everyone relies on their own effort to support themselves. To be able to achieve success today is due to that hard work and effort. And let's go one more here. I'm here at this place today winning the beauty contest thanks to my mother. And we don't have a reason to feel inferior due to the fact that we have been working hard for our livelihood. If your parents, if you don't have, also someone pass away, but we should be think about our parents. Even he's old, even he's cannot be work properly. He is your father. She is your mother. Okay, according to the Bible, also 10 Commandments said, honor your father and your mother. This is very important until you're going to die. Okay? So this month is the family month. In the book, all the books said here, you can read by Chinese word. If your parents in the house do not go far away, even if you go, you have to mention where you go. If your parents calling you, even you have the food, you remove out of food and you have to answer to your father. Am I right? It's the modern time, especially the young age, they change a lot. They forget the parents. They only looking for only the friend. But we cannot do like this. Parents is parents. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.